Welcome to day 16 of our transformation roadmap. Today we are focusing on Excel foundations, exploring how data insights and, quote, vibe coding can change the way you work. You speak human, and Copilot speaks data. Vibe coding allows you to control software using natural language instead of complex, manual formulas. Setting up your command center is simple. Open your Excel spreadsheet, locate the Copilot icon in the ribbon, and click it to begin your chat. There are 3 core pillars to using Excel Copilot: analyzing to find answers, visualizing to draw pictures, and automating to format your data. To get perfect output, use the vibe coding formula. Combine your task, the target audience, your desired format, and any specific constraints or rules. With the first pillar, analyze data. Simply ask Copilot to create a pivot table by region, and you get instant data synthesis without needing complex formulas. Pillar 2 is about visualizing trends. Copilot reads your spreadsheet and builds charts automatically, providing visual storytelling for your data. Pillar 3 covers automation and formatting. By prompting Copilot to highlight cells based on specific criteria, you save hours of manual searching. This transformation matrix shows how vibe coding simplifies traditional tasks, turning complex manual processes into quick, natural language commands. Remember the rule of the draft. AI is the draft, but you are the editor. Always verify numbers, check your facts, and adjust tones for your audience. If Copilot gives a poor answer, look at your prompt. A vague prompt leads to bad results, while a specific prompt following our formula ensures clarity. For your action plan today, open a real Excel file from your job, ask Copilot to create one chart, and have it highlight one trend.